Hi everybody. So Kaylee's took a driving test today and it's good news.
Yes, passed.
Passed, first time. Now let's just talk about before you went in your driving test.
Yeah.
You drove really well apart from that one mistake, didn't you? Where you were chatting too much. But that's quite normal to make a mistake before your driving test. So tell us what happened with your driving test then.
So you go into the car park and then they got me to do the reverse bay park straight away. So I just done the space that I was already in.
That was a good bay park, wasn't it?
And then done that first time as
I know,
well.
I noticed that. I was kind of peeping through the window thinking, she's got a reverse bay park, because it held you back, didn't it?
Yeah.
Deliberately. He made you wait where everyone left.
And then when I was reading the number plate, he got me to do the question, the tell me how, and he done the head restraint question thing.
What, and you're outside?
Yeah. So when I was reading the number plate, and then start driving, we done the sat nav, and then he was going to do an emergency stop, and then there was a car, and then he said it again, and then there was another car, and then he said it again. He goes, he's just not going to do it, because every time we were going to do it, there was a car behind.
Yeah.
And then
that sometimes happens.
we done 20 minutes of sat nav, and then we done the independent, him doing the thing, and that's when I touched the curb, and then from that, it's fine.
And when you touch the curb, what do you say to yourself at that point?
That's going to fail.
So if you don't concentrate, you'll make it worse, won't you?
Yeah. So I just kind of ignored it.
And just kind of kept your standard.
He didn't write. Other than that, he literally didn't touch his iPad once, and they put the reflection screen on it, so you can't see what they're doing. I tried peeping.
Looking at the road.
No, it was when we stopped, because that's when he was explaining the emergency stop. So I tried peeping, and then he's got the privacy screen on it.
The other thing also is at the end of the test, when I walked over, he said that you drove really well. You just made that mistake.
Yeah.
You skinned the curb, didn't you? Was it a front tyre?
I think front.
Front one, yeah. So was it 4 or 5 faults you got?
4.
And someone for steering, wasn't there? So he said you just need to kind of not rush your steering, wasn't it?
Yeah.
The rest of the drive was really good.
I kept the speed up on the country roads, because that's when we went on a double dual carriageway, so it was 70.
Yeah.
So I kept the speed up with everyone else.
Excellent. So now you're in the first time club passing.
And there's that corner there, I didn't go over the
Excellent.
turning.
Yeah, you were out for exactly 40 minutes. You know, because I kind of looked at the clock when you left and looked at it when you came back. You were last out, second back.
Damn.
So there's 2 cars came in after you. So you weren't hanging around.
No, we just went straight for it.
So happy now?
Yes.
Yeah. That's it. Kaylee's passed the driving test. If you want to catch up with the other videos, I'm going to put the links below and at the top at the same time of Kaylee's driving experiences. Well done. If anyone wants to put a comment below, show me your certificate, by the way. Yay!
I'm going to
Take
frame
care.
it.
Say again?
I'm going to frame it.
Yeah, frame them. And what I can do is, if I get your email address off you, I'll forward the email to you.
Yeah.
Okay. Take care, everybody, and well done, Kaylea.
Thank you.